Lots of people, they get so scared to learn English language. They think it is very difficult for them to speak in English out loud. They could not speak so fluency. Hello my viewers, today I am going to discuss why we get so scared to improve our English language and how we can overcome that fear. I am going to explain everything in this video, but before I start the video, I want to say to each of one, please watch the video till the end, because this video is going to make you understand why we get scared to learn English and how we can overcome that fear. And if you new to watch my video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, because I make this kind of videos about learning English language. So please make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell, and let's start. Today I am going to explain why we get scared to learn English language, and also I am going to explain how we can overcome that fear. First, I am going to explain why we get scared to learn English. I think the common problem we have, we think too much about failures. We think too much what would be happen if I make mistakes, and we think if we make mistake, then probably we could not speak in English fluency, because we make mistakes. We cannot improve our English language. We think those things, and that is the reason we get so scared to start the practice to improve our English language. One thing that I want to clear to each of one, it is not our native language. It is not our mother tongue, bro. It is our second or third language probably. So each of one make mistakes. I also make mistakes. Who can speak fluency in English language, they also make mistakes, because it is not our mother tongue. You have to understand that facts. Native English speakers, they can speak fluency in English language because of it is their mother tongue. It is not our mother language. It is not our native language. Our native language, we can speak so fluency, but in English language we make mistakes, and I think that is acceptable. It is okay. Each of one make mistakes. Who knows, it is not our mother tongue. They could not laugh at you when you go and talk with people. Some people, they think that if we go and talk with another person, then probably people are going to laugh at us if we make mistakes, if we say something different things. And that's why we get scared to talk with other persons. We get scared to start learning English language. Because of that reason, we think too much about failures. We think too much about making mistakes. What would be happen if I make mistakes? Then probably I could not improve my English language. Stop thinking those things. You have to make mistakes to order to improve your English language. It is okay to make mistakes. You have to start the practice, because practice is important. Back then I had no idea how to speak in English. I was scared. I used to think something like that maybe I could not improve my English because I make many mistakes. It is not going to improve. But while I am practice every single day, I realized it can be possible to speak in English fluency. I made the discipline with me that I am going to practice to talk with myself every single day, and that made myself improve my English. You have to do the same things. It is okay to make mistakes, but please don't get scared. It is just a language. It is not going to kill you, bro. It is just a language. It is not going to kill you. It is not going to hurt you. So why do you get scared to learn English language? We don't want to get out our comfort zone. We like to stay in our comfort zone, and that's why we get so scared to do different things. We get so scared to take action. You have to get out your comfort zone. If you want to do different things in life, if you want to achieve your goals, then you have to get out your comfort zone. You have to take risk in life. Without those things, you cannot make change. You cannot improve your skills. You cannot speak in English fluency if you don't practice with consistency. Consistency is very important for each of one to improve themselves. So now I think you understand why we get scared, and now I am going to talk about how we can overcome that fear. First, I want to say to each of one, if you truly want to learn English language, practice to talk with yourself. Do the practice right now. Don't procrastinate. Don't think that I will do it later, I will do it tomorrow. I will practice to improve my English language. tomorrow, not right now. Don't think like that. If you think this is very important language, if you think it is important to you to improve English language, then start the practice right now. And how can you do the practice? How can you start the practice? First, I am going to suggest to every each of one, learn how to make sentence, because when you can understand how to adjust words to make sentence, then probably it will be possible to you to think in English. And when you can think in English, then it is possible to you to speak in English out loud. When you have the ability to think in English, practice to talk with yourself every single day. I know it is easy to say, it is hard to do, but you have to work hard. Keep this in mind, because without working hard, you cannot achieve success in life. So practice to talk with yourselves in front of the mirror if you can think in English. And if you could not think in English, try to learn how to make sentence fast. Watch English videos. I used to watch lots of YouTube videos, YouTube podcasts, Ellen DeGeneres shows, or many things, and that made me to think in English. I was able to think in English, and because of that I could speak in English. And I practiced to talk with myself every single day in front of the mirror. My family thought I am getting mad. They told me that stop doing those things. It is not going to help you. It is not going to worth it in the future. I did not listen them. I knew how much important to me to work on myself, to talk with myself. I used to talk with myself every single day. Still I am talking with myself whenever I get chance. So you have to do the same things. You have to talk with yourselves to build the confidence to talk with another persons. And if you think that you can talk with people, then just go out and talk with them. Don't get scared. Make enough mistakes. They are not going to laugh at you. I'm telling you, they will understand yourself. It is not our mother tongue. They also make mistakes. When you go and talk with people, if you can understand English language, you will understand that they also make mistakes. So it is okay to make mistakes. There is no problem with that. Keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. One thing, it is not our mother tongue. It is foreign language. So we make mistakes. There is nothing about laughing. There is nothing about making fun of us. Why you think that people are going to make fun of you? Because you get scared to talk with people. Don't get scared. Overcome your fear. Get out your comfort zone. Do something different things every single day for improving your skills, for improving your language. This is very important. Take it seriously. Always keep this in mind. You can improve yourself. You can develop yourself. You can go next level. It is possible for every each of one, because every each of one has talent. Every each of one has potential to do anything what we want out of our life. We can do it. If we want to speak in English, we can do it. If we want to do something different things, it is possible for us. If you have a goal in life, always make sure that you have potential to do anything or change anything. So I hope now you understand why we get scared to learn English language and how we can overcome that fear. Please take it seriously and try to understand what I said in these videos. Every each of word is very important to every individual who wants to improve their English language, who wants to do something different things in life. So please guys, take it seriously. You can make it happen. You can speak in English fluency. It is possible to you if you practice, if you start the practice every single day. So thank you so much guys for watching me. I hope you will like this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell, turn on the notification, and today's for that. I will be back very soon. Bye guys.